Code Fuel. Welcome back to my channel, my US friends. How to make money with Google AdSense. Your website can generate money outside of your core business. After all, your digital real estate is worth money. If you wondered how you make money from publishing ads on your site, this article is for you. We constantly involve and bring solution to increase revenue for publisher. In this post, we will give you an overview and tactics to make money with Google AdSense. How does Google AdSense work? Google AdSense is a Google product that enables publishers to earn money by displaying ads on their websites, blogs, or YouTube videos. You get paid by Google when a visitor clicks on the ad or based on impressions. According the type of ad, advertisement can be text, images, videos, or an attractive media. These ads are selected by the automated and action system. The action system is highest bidder among bidding users or Google AdWords. Google selects the ads for your site by using different types to targeting. They analyze the keywords used, the word frequency, and link strict to the web page contents and match the ads to it. Placement targeting. This allows advertisers to choose where they want their ad to appear. These ads are selected to advertisers who think your site can be matched for their target audience. Personal targeting. Advertiser can select sites that cater that specific category, for example, musical theater lovers. Run of network targeting. This selecting includes all sites in the AdSense network, but the exactly sites. Google. Why does Google use an action to select these ads? Advertisers on Google Display Network bid to show their ads on AdSense. The ad action ranks advertisers according to the bid and their quality score. Therefore, you get the advertisers who are willing to pay the most and having good quality. Learn more about how Google AdSense work on this video. Are there any requirements for an AdSense account? How do I apply? Google select the sites that qualify for a AdSense account according to 12 eligibility criteria about you and your site. Number 1, you must be over 18 years of age. Number 2, you must be the owner of your site and control it. Number 3, you can't use means that generate fake traffic. The content on your site must be unique and interesting. The content must comply with Google content policies. If your site inside the host partner like Blogger or YouTube, you can apply for your Google AdSense, but there are other eligibility criteria you need to meet. Number 1, the site must have a clear negativing. Number 5, you cannot plagiarize content. Number 6, your site should be at least 6 months old. Number 7. You need enough traffic. A site with a history and absorb experience fake messages, misleading parties cannot apply. Does it take long to get approved? The time it takes for an account to be approved varies. Some sites get approved in 24 hours, while other may take up to 2 weeks for approval. The first thing you need to do is verify your Google account and your website ownership. Please take it in mind to fix any issues your site may have about the content, negative SEO or traffic before you send your application. Types of AdSense ads. What types of what types of AdSense are right for your site? Google AdSense provides a very variety of ads types for you to choose from. Text ads. There are the ads in the form of simple text that often appear when you are searching for something in Google. They have a title, a short description, and a link going the site. These are ads can appear on your website or in Google searches. For example, search a woman boots showed me to two text ads for online retailers. Display ads. There are the ads that you see typically displayed on web pages. Here are the basic three formats. Virtual Skype hosting. Rich media ads. These interactive advertisement can be images format, video, or HTML. There are three types of ads. Dynamic images ads. These content animated text that appears when your user scroll down the page. You can choose the size and virtual and secure. Video ads. The types of ads presented by Google and several ads types. Standard non-skippable ads 20 seconds. This the can appear in TrueView. These ads let the user skip the after 5 seconds. They are appear the pre-roll and mid-roll positions, but required additional policies. Creating your first ad unit. One or more Google ads are the result on pieces on AdSense code. Create, manage, and customize the unit on their AdSense account. There are different types of ads unit. Display ads in feed in article. Method content ad that promote the content visitors link